Let's look at pie charts. A pie chart shows categories of information compared to the whole. The information is often represented as percentages and must therefore add up to 100, as you can see on the diagram here. Percentages on their own on a pie chart will not tell you the actual value. So 30% of the fruit that was the favorite cannot tell you how many people actually chose bananas. It just gives you an idea of the size of the category. Let's have a look at what we need to remember when drawing a pie chart. First of all, we always have to have a heading, so subjects allotted to teachers. Each sector, the slice, so this is a sector, it is the science sector, must have a value. It's either percentage or the number, and you do not put the angle size on. So angle size is not shown on your chart. That is seen by the size of these sectors. So from this diagram, we can see Spanish is much smaller than mathematics, for example. The sectors are labeled. You can either use a leader line, so your leader line over here, showing you that this is the science sector, or you can label it on the sector or next to it. You need to be able to calculate the percentage and the size. So let's have a look at the worked example. So for example, a survey was done at school to determine the most popular mode of transport. So what I've done for you here, the first thing we have to do is we've got to add up how many in the whole. So what we do with that, so for example, I'm going to go through walk with you. For the walk sector, the fraction, so we always get a fraction. So 33 out of the 80 people walked. And for a pie diagram, we need a percentage. So we're going to have our percentage on this side and our degrees on that side. So what we will do is here, we would take 33 out of 80. We would multiply it by 100 over 1. And for that, you would get 41.25%. If we did degrees, you would take 33 out of 80 and we multiply it by 360. These are degrees, so it will give you 148.5 degrees. Now you continue that with all the rest of the labels in the table, which is bus, car, bicycle. And what I've done, I've calculated it for you using the same method. I want you to notice, if I have degrees, they will add up to 360. Percentages add up to 100. Now, do not be disturbed if, for example, you total your degrees and you've rounded off and it's not exactly 360, it comes to 359, comma something, or 360, comma something, and the same with percentages. 100, comma something, or 99, comma something. What I need you to do, I have set up a video to draw a pie chart using a protractor. So once you've drawn your pie chart, doing the protractor, and then you, the next thing you need to do is how to complete it. So we either need a key, or what we can do here, so walk is yellow, we would go and label it walk, and you only put the percentage on, which is 41.25%. Bus, which is the next one, so those who travel by bus, and that's going to be 23.75%, and so on. Okay, let me finish it for you. Car would be 21.25%, and then bicycle would be 13.75%. And remember, you have to have a heading as well. there's more practice, exercise 7.3, or first go and do your test your understanding.